click the magic wand over here, what you're about to see that we're going to get all the tags for this YouTube video in one click. Now, I didn't do anything. All I did was I clicked on an app that I created in seconds, and then I clicked the magic wand. I didn't change anything. So over here, you can see the different types of apps I've done. Write professionally, respond to emails, rewrite simply, all these different apps. Now, let me show you how simple it is to create an app. It's as simple as pressing this plus button here, and then you can create an app. All you need to do is write down what it does. So, for example, if I wanted an app that rewords any text, so just call it the Reword Text app. There we go. Now we can just write a prompt for this. Please generate a rewording of a given text using natural processing algorithms. So over here, you can actually automatically generate a prompt. And if you leave this empty, it will just be this text here. So it's better to, of course, click that, create a prompt, then click create your reword app. Now, what you're about to see is freaking magic, yeah?